In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the copy node to transfer channels between images in Nuke. This is a quick, reliable way to move data from one image to another, things like mattes, masks, or individual color channels, so you can use them downstream in your composite with full control. Let's start by adding the node. With your node graph active, press Tab to bring up the node search, type copy, and hit enter. That drops a copy node into your script. Think of this node as a bridge. It takes information from one image and places it neatly into another without changing anything you don't explicitly tell it to. Next, wire it up. The A input on the left is your source, the image you want to copy from. Drag that connection from your source image into the A pipe. The B input on the right is your destination, the image you want to copy into. Connect your target image to the B pipe. An easy way to remember this is A donates, B receives. If the two images are different sizes or formats, the copy will still happen, but the overlapping area is what matters, so keep that in mind for predictable results. Now open the copy node properties to choose exactly what gets transferred. You're telling Nuke which channel from A should go into which channel on B. For example, if you want to bring over a matte, set from alpha to alpha. If you're moving a specific color channel, you might set from RGBA.red to mask.red. This mapping is flexible. You can move any source channel into any destination channel, and if the destination channel doesn't exist yet, Nuke will create it on the fly. Make sure you pick the correct pair, because this is where most mistakes happen. Copying into the wrong channel won't show the results you expect downstream. To see the outcome, connect the output of the copy node to a viewer. You're now looking at the B image enriched with whatever channels you copied from A. Use your viewer's channel display to verify the change. Switch to alpha if you copied a matte, or check the mask layer if you routed data there. If something looks off, double check that A and B are wired correctly and that your from and to fields map the intended channels. And that's it. You've added a copy node, connected your source and destination, defined what to copy, and viewed the result. This simple setup is a foundation for clean, modular compositing.